One class. Today we are going to study the chapter Cookies, which is written by Douglas Adams. Now who will tell me what you know about Douglas Adams? Have you heard this author's name before? No, completely new to you. So Douglas Noel Adams was an English author, scriptwriter, essayist, humorist, satirist, dramatist. He also worked in BBC, and a lot of books have been written by him. A lot of work had been done by him, and this particular story that we are going to read is a very interesting story, and it will have an interesting ending. You will be surprised by the end. So let's begin. So the narrator, that is Douglas himself, he is waiting at a railway station, and he is early for his train because there was some misunderstanding of timings. He reached early, so he has to wait. So he buys a cup of coffee, a newspaper and a packet of cookies, and he sits at a table, and there's a stranger who was sitting along with him. So I would like to ask you, if a stranger, you are sitting somewhere and you have some food on your table, and a stranger without taking your permission starts eating from your plate, how would you react to that?
It would be pretty strange since no one ordinarily does that.
Yeah, but if anyone does it, so how are you going to react?
I will be definitely astonished at
Okay.
first, and then I'm going to question the person.
Okay, what about you, Prashansa?
I wouldn't say anything.
You wouldn't say anything? Alright. So this man is sitting there, and there's another man, a stranger, who takes a seat at the table opposite, and now this man takes the cookie packet, he opens it and starts eating a cookie. So the narrator Douglas is very astonished, as Anandita said, that I will be astonished if anyone does it, and he starts eating the cookie. So the narrator is very astonished that how can a man without my permission eat my cookie, but he tries to ignore it when one cookie is taken. Now this man, after a minute or two, takes another cookie and eats it. So Douglas, is thinking in his mind what to do, but he explains that as an Englishman, you are actually not, taught that you have to fight with anyone. Okay, so because Englishmen are very, very well mannered, so they are not taught that you have to fight with anyone, they are not hot blooded. So he again ignores this fact, and he just keeps his mouth shut and lets this man eat another cookie. So what he does, he also takes a cookie from the packet to make the other man realize that this is his cookie packet, and he thinks that now this man will stop. But the man did not stop, and he takes one cookie again. So this is going on. The narrator takes one cookie, he takes another cookie, and this keeps on going on till the packet of cookie is finished. And now this man gets up and goes away. And when he goes away, so this narrator realizes that there is another cookie packet which is left behind, which is unopened, which was hidden with the newspaper. So what do you think has exactly happened here?
Maybe the unopened packet was the narrator's.
Exactly. So all the while this man was thinking that the stranger was eating my cookies, but what had happened, that the narrator was all the time eating his cookies, and the stranger was kind enough that he did not point him out or say anything. So I hope you enjoyed the story. Do you have any questions?